Yeah. Yeah, I know. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm working late. Again, I have this radon experiment that I'm doing. Yeah, I think I'm getting close, though. Shouldn't be too much longer. You want me to stop at the store and get some groceries? Sure. What do you need? Okay, milk. And soup and turkey. Okay. Well, I'll try to find the biggest bird that I can. I'll be home as soon as I can, okay? We'll see you then. Bye. Try 0.5. 20. I'll turn the trigger level down. Adjust the slope. Let's roll. Let's see what happens. Oh, I think we need more voltage than that. Let me try this. Oh yeah, boy, that's a lot of voltage. Oh my gosh. How disappointing. Must have been too much power. Look at that. Darn it. Boy, I really thought that that experiment was right. Oh well, I guess we'll try again tomorrow. Oh, that's right, I gotta go and pick up that turkey. What do you think about this water sample?
Well, from what I can tell, that water looks really, really clear.
Almost like you could drink it.
Yeah, absolutely. It looks really, really safe.
You know, especially since we've been having a lot of bird problems on, you know, with bird poop on the beach and everything.
Yeah, we've had a lot of problems with contamination. And yeah, like you said, bird poop. Thank goodness we've gotten that taken care of.
I got a little in my mouth. It tastes good, too.
Well, that's got to be a good sign, right?
Yeah, I would say so, but I don't see any bird poop in there. It looks pretty good to me.
Not a thing.
boy, they'll be happy to hear about that.
For sure. Well, that's great. You know, if you don't mind, I need to head off to the daycare and pick up my niece. They're having a big party, and I need to bring some supplies. Would you be okay finishing up the last little bit of paperwork?
Sure, I can do that.
Okay, great. There you go.
Alrighty.
All right, we'll see you then. Thank you.
Yeah. What is that? Oh my gosh, I'll have to get back to the office.
Do you mind if I sit here? My meeting got done late. It's so hot out. I don't even have time to have lunch. That looks like a really good sandwich.
The best darn sandwich that I've had in a long time.
Wow. Hey, what is that? Did you see that?
Out that bag.
Why would I have your sandwich in my bag?
I left my sandwich.
I don't know where it is. Who could have taken it?
Oh. That darn bird!
As all of you know, we're here today because we've been being attacked by this big bird over Hennepin County. It's playing havoc with the buildings, damaging buildings, turning over trains. It is a bird. We need to be concerned about avian influenza. So, in the event that we might be called upon for a public health response, it's time to get prepared. You know that we can do this. You know that we can pull this off. No matter what the bird has in store for us. We've got, our staff have been trained. We've done exercises over and over again. They've got their families prepared with their personal preparedness plans so they can come to work and help us out in this event. So what we need to do today is figure out what our first steps will be when we're called upon to respond.
my idea, I think we should start with the incident objectives, and I think ICS Form 202 is going to help us do that.
Okay,
But
that sounds...
wait, I got a bulletin from FEMA that says they've revised that form and it's now 202A.
You know, I got a copy of something that Ramsey just got faxed from FEMA, and it doesn't say anything about 202A. In fact, it says not to use 202, but to use 202B.
202B.
And when did that come in?
Well, there's not a date on it. I don't know. It came from Ramsey County.
So what form should we be using?
This is an emergency services update. The giant bird that has been terrorizing the Twin Cities is still on the loose. It is crucial that everyone remain calm and not panic during this crisis. All emergency services and personnel are stretched thin, but nonetheless are providing heroic care. We need to tell you, however, that atomic and hydrogen weapons, capable of wiping cities and countries off the face of the earth, are completely and utterly ineffective against this creature from the skies. We will keep you informed about the situation should it improve, or as we fear, gets worse. Once again, we implore you, stay calm, stay inside your homes, and stay alive.
Okay, we're adding Department of Natural Resources to our unified command list. You know, we can't assume that this bird has been domesticated. We also have on unified command our Homeland Security, Sheriff and Police, Hospital, Fire, Audubon Society, Ramsey.
Audubon Society, why them?
It's a bird. Ramsey County, Federal Aviation Administration, the National Transportation and Safety Administration, Airports Commission, FEMA, MnDOT, the Mayor of St. Anthony, but he's only available in the morning. He's got business in the afternoon with Ramsey County. Minnesota Department of Health and the American Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Is there anybody else that we need on this unified command list? Did we miss anybody?
I think we've got all of them that we've had come in.
Okay.
Just a second, Mary Jo, this just came in. 15 more agencies want to be part of unified command.
This is Flight 202 to the tower. We're under attack. But yes, the bird, yes, the bird is attacking me. I'm going down. We've got to take, come on. This is an emergency. Please clear the way. Mayday, mayday, we're going down.
Ma'am, have you been wearing your seatbelt today?
Yes, I am.
Have you had any alcohol today?
No, I'm not.
Oh, I've heard that before. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Would you mind telling me your body mass index?
No, I'm not going to.
Okay, well, thank you. That's all the questions I have for our health survey. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Well, at least we got another one for our health survey.
That's great.
Look, here comes
One more.
Here comes
Oh,
someone now.
grab her,
Maybe I
grab
can
her.
hear. Ma'am, would you be willing to participate in a health survey? Buzz off. It used to be that we could just call people on the phone. Now we have to flag them down in traffic.
I know, it's so hard now.
Hey, Tim,
How's it
how are
going?
you?
Hi, Tim.
It's going pretty well. We got one more. Wait, Tim, what's that? I think it's the bird.
Oh, no, the bird.
Oh, it's headed to latitude 44.88 degrees and longitude 93.421 degrees.
I think that's the New Horizon Child Care Center. What should we do?
Oh, no.
Washington. Some people in Canada have seen the bird, and so now it's become an international event, and the State Department's coming to take over.
That's a good thing. Huh.
Oh, Mary Jo, new facts just off the machine from the Defense Department.
Mm-hmm.
They're coming to town and they'll be in charge.
Would one of you tell the logistics chief to get them whatever they need?
All right, Diet Coke, Mentos, this is what we need. 3, 2, 1. Be calling now. It's late in the afternoon on Friday. This is Gretchen. Another foodborne outbreak. You're kidding. And it's sushi again? Alright, alright. Okay, I'll be right in.